Hello! Welcome to Kill It with Fire. We're gonna kill spiders. I frickin' hate spiders so much. Terrible. We will be going through the Year of the Spider. I haven't played this, really. I played a little bit of it, but, you know, not much. And the goal is to 100% this one. I'd like to. So, polls. Alright, let's get into this. Pick up the vase. Yes. That's a spider. Okay. I'm gonna fuck you up. Nice. I'm gonna find you, you little fuck. You in here? Huh? Where are you? I hear you. You crusty little shit. Ah! Yeah! Bitch! Fucking got him. Ah! Ah! Come here. You cuck? Where is it? Where'd it go? Hello? I don't know. Under here? Are you in there? Hey! 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 Where'd he go? Hello? 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 There's one. I seen it. Where'd it go? Oh. A mega file. Move higher. Is there one in here still? Hello? Ah. Get out of my way. Where is it? Where'd it go? I see you, you son of a bitch. Flashlight. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Take everything out of here one by one. I know there's still a spider in here. I think. Oh, it's the hello neighbor. The fuck? Ah! You son of a bitch! There's another one in here. Okay, got them all. Let's get the fuck out of here. Ah! There you are. I see you. Where you at? Hey! There's multiple! Come back here! Where'd you go? Yeah. Beach. Where'd you go? Come on. Move this shit. I see you. Where is he? Where? No, don't go in there. Where'd he go? You son of a bitch. Where could you have gone? You sneaky little bastard. Ooh, you're over here. But where over here? I'll move every book off the shelf if I have to. Where you at? What the hell? Yeah, you son of a bitch. Great, there's another one around here. What? Where are you? Where are you at, brother? Ah, you sneaky! Come here. God damn. What are my objectives? Oh, they're right in front of me. Find more firepower, get the hairspray from the bathroom. Okay, everybody's trapped in here with me now. I hate those things. I always feel like there's one in there, huh? I knew it! I knew it! You little fucking nasty piss spider! No! No! I see you. Stop right there. In the name of the law. God damn you. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Huh? Where'd you go? Oh. Motherfucker. Okay, everybody that's not infected, that I might not have spiders in it, go over here. I knew you were somewhere over here. Kill a spider with a book. Oh no, did I kill all the spiders? Nah, there's still another one. Right there. I should have blocked off the exit, huh? God damn you! Did I get it? I know you're in this box. Or not. Get over there. Oh, I see you. Don't think I don't see you, mister. Oh. Where'd he go? Where'd you go? You ugly bitch. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, you're on that thing. I seen you. Yeah. Yeah! Fucking got him. Okay, any more? Okay, there's one over here. I see you. Hold on, I'm gonna get this hairspray and you're going down. Where'd you go? Ah! I see you. Where'd you go? I see you. Oh. Burn! I think I got it. Arachno Gauntlet. Kill spiders using the revolver without reloading. Oh. 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 So what's in this drawer? Yeah. Yeah. Give me that ammo, cuh. Yeah. Okay, I can kill some spiders without reloading. Oh, fuck. Oopsie. One. Two. Why so fast? Chill. Oh yeah. Ah! Damn it. Come on, I got this. Two. Any more in here? Oh yeah, quick shots. Ah! He's freaking out. Ah! There are so many dead spiders in this house. Come on, got this, got this. One, two, three, four. One more, girl. There we go. Got it. Alright, am I done? I think I'm done at this level. Alright, everything's dead. Yep, ain't nothing in here. Nada. Nada. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Dun 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 dun. We did it. I think we 100%ed it, I believe. Mission completed. Hell yeah. Very nice. Oh. Sure. Close encounters. Tracker upgrades. What do we got? Nothing. Hell yeah. So we are completely done with this? Yeah, we are. On to Close Encounters. Oh yeah. Equipment 02, flavors. What are flavors? Okay. Pause for a second. Okay. Let's get it. Kill it with fire. Spawn of evil. Oh, good. I got my gat. Okay, I need to start putting things in certain piles. What? What is this? Hey! Damn you. Hey! Everybody stop. Maybe I should be using the clipboard for the little guys. Aw. Bitch! No. Oh, sorry. Sorry again. Hey! Bitch. I still hear one over here. But where? But where? Where 'tis it? Wiggle, wiggle. The last thing. Excuse you? Ah! Okay, must be one over here. Okay. I don't have 10 killies yet. Wait, what are my objectives? Shatter picture frames. That's fucked up, but alright, let's do it. There we go. Erase the past. Damn. There we go. Is it all in here? I think so. Alright, into here. Dun 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 dun. And open! Anyone behind here? Everything's gonna go in this corner. Hey! Come here. Where'd you go? And batteries to equip tracker upgrade. Spider. Hold on, I gotta break you. Sorry. Yeah. Fucking hate Windows. Okay. Ooh. Good. One by one now. Yep, you're dead. Okay. Anybody else being sneaky in here? Ooh. Yeah. You son of a bitch. And in here. Oh, yeah! Murder, murder. Okay. Oh! Okay, you can get back in there. Wait, new objective. What do I get to get? Shotgun kills? 2 spiders of 1 shotgun blast. Ah, what is that? Oh! Ew. Oh my glob. I didn't like that. Alright, where'd y'all go? Where? Yeah. You ugly bastard. I'll burn this whole fucking house down. Ah! Well, where could it have gone? There's still one in here, isn't there? Ah! You son of a bitch. Okay. Oh. Yeah, got it. Alright, this room's clear. I need to get my shotgun at the ready. Blast 2 with 1. This might be a good place to do it. Let's see. Wiggle, wiggle. Is there anything in here? Okay, yeah, there is somewhere. You ugly fuck. Come on, let me get 2. Yeah! My last shot, too. Got him. Alright. Anything else in here? No. Wait, was there any pictures? I don't think so. Alright. Ooh! Fuck you, Grandma. Okay. We're going in. What is this? Oh, that attracts them. That's right. Who wants it? Anyone? Oh god, here we go. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Battery. Battery? Oh, those aren't batteries. Are they all dead? No, of course not. Why would they be? Huh. Where you at? Where you at? You're under the pillows, aren't you? You sons of bitches. No? Who threw there's a whole cigarette in there? Oh. There's the spiders. Where? I seen it. I think it went under here. Where'd it go? I know you're around here somewhere. Hey! Yeah. Can I take this key somewhere first? I know it has to... She's gonna put it right here where it's safe. Or it might be safe. Behind here! No? Okay. You're on the back of the phone! Oh. The fuck? Aha! No? Got you now! What the fuck? You're on the teddy bear. What if I just burn everything? I got it! Yeah. Alright, we're clear. Coming with me. Ooh, picture frames. I need them. There's one in here. But where? Okay, he's not in a pile of crap, so that's good. You getting here? No. Ah. What? I shot at you. Excuse you? Oh. Come here. Yeah. Wasted a lot of ammo because of you. Oh, Kurt. One more picture frame, and I see it. Who's it going to be? That man or the flamingo? Fucking flamingo. Discover a hidden room. It's behind here, isn't it? Ooh. I'm going to have to pull on a book. No? Oh, fuck. Ah! Sorry about that. God damn it. Come on. Where are you at, spiders? I found it. Ooh. There are no spiders in here? Nice. What do the megaphiles do? I don't even know. Cargo shorts? Hell yeah. Ooh. Show me what's in the safe. Is that dynamite? C4? Bet. Bet. Can I close this back? No! Come here, little spiders. Take it. Wow! Yes. There's still one around here. Ooh. Did you go in the jaw? Yep. Oh, Kurt. Now, I need to get back to battery finding. Whoa! Found them all. Good. Where? Oh god. Hold on, there's still one more son of a bitch somewhere. Nah, I don't have ammo. Hey! You nasties. Here's another battery. Didn't need it though. Okay, I'm gonna smack it. Wherever you went. Where you at? Where the fuck are you? Oh. What the fuck? Okay. That works for me. Oh, right. We have the Arachno Gauntlet. Arachno Gauntlet. Shotgun kill. 0 out of 10. Perfect. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Get it. Oh, gob. Oh, glob. 2 more. 1 more. Yeah. Sweet, we did it. We did it. Right, everything complete? Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright. 6 or 7 batteries. Pause. Okay, we're gonna find that battery. I don't care about killing spiders. We already got all the spiders. We just gotta find that fucking battery. Hold on. Maybe it's in here. Well, I don't think it's in here. Where's this motherfucking battery? No. You all get back in there, in your holes. Maybe it's up there? No? Get back in there. You nasty. Show me the fucking battery! Huh. No. No. Ah. Let's see. Oh, fuck this window. Damn. Bad diary? Ooh, is it in here? No. Huh. What the fuck? Under the pillows? I'll rip this whole fucking house apart. Ah! Okay, I got a battery checklist right here. Let's see. Alright, I never found out what that key did. Oh, it's probably for that lock I shot off, isn't it? Bedroom, top right drawer, the dresser. This one? Already got all that shit. Computers? Huh. Huh. Aha! Awesome. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, well. Hold on. If I leave, will it count it? Unlock doors, complete objectives, will be saved. Okay, cool, cool. Possum. Wait, Omega Files. I wanted to read those. All employees from Langston, January 13th, 2006, new hire. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to John Gibbs as the new head of the IT department. He may be my nephew, but don't hold that against him. As Gibbs is settling into his new position, feel free to stop by and introduce yourselves. I have no doubt he'll prove an invaluable asset as we continue our very special work. Cooper's desk can now be found near reception. There will be no further discussion of last month's holiday party. 2 stone from West. There are candy wrappers, coffee cups, and empty cheese puff bags covering your entire desk. If you want to put that garbage in your body, that's your business, but at least keep your workstation looking professional. Nobody's going to believe we're a real business if we keep trashing it. Fair enough. Alright. Wait, where do I upgrade? Oh, okay, here we go. Tracker upgrades? Yeah, I want that. Most definitely. 4 additional slots. Ooh, dang it. Looks like I'll have to be saving up. I think we'll continue on next video. Farewell.